Like a while ago. But yeah, Stremz things. You can get banned for impersonating. Yeah, no, I can't because I'm not technically impersonating. Because the fact that my logo's the same, my border's different. I'm not saying that I'm Stremz. I have a different account. I don't have an account even with the same name as Stremz. So no, actually, I wouldn't be banned for it. But yeah, no, I wouldn't be banned for it. So, but yeah. Pretending to be Stremz. I'm not pretending to be Stremz. I just have the same exact name, okay? It's not that big of a deal. Jesus Christ, chill. Okay, oh no. Clearly I'm not Stremz, bro. If anybody thought I was actually Stremz, bro, like, bruh. Low follow. Bro, why are you reporting me? Okay, buddy, how about this? I do something really quickly. Hold up. Report. Username's inappropriate. There you go. Have fun with that. What makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole.